Welcome, nature lovers, to the fascinating world of birds. Today, we're going to explore some of the most beautiful and interesting birds from around the globe. From their vibrant colors to their unique behaviors, birds never cease to amaze us. So, let's dive in and discover the wonders of our feathered friends. First up, we have the magnificent peacock. Known for its stunning iridescent tail feathers, the peacock is a symbol of beauty and grace. These feathers can span up to 6 feet and are used in elaborate courtship displays to attract mates. Did you know that only male peacocks have these extravagant tails? The females, called peahens, are more subdued in color but equally important in the peacock's world. Next, let's take a look at the tiny yet incredible hummingbird. These birds are known for their rapid wing beats, which can reach up to 80 beats per second. This allows them to hover in place and even fly backward. Hummingbirds have a unique metabolism that requires them to consume nectar from flowers almost constantly. Their vibrant colors and agile flight make them a favorite among birdwatchers. Now, let's head to the wetlands to meet the flamboyant flamingo. These birds are famous for their pink feathers, which they get from the carotenoid pigments in their diet of algae and crustaceans. Flamingos are social birds, often seen in large flocks. Their long legs and necks are perfectly adapted for wading in shallow waters, where they use their specialized beaks to filter food from the mud. As the sun sets, we enter the realm of the mysterious owl. Owls are nocturnal hunters with exceptional night vision and silent flight. Their large eyes are adapted to low-light conditions, and their feathers are designed to muffle sound, allowing them to swoop down on prey without being heard. Owls are also known for their distinctive calls, which can vary greatly between species. Let's not forget the intelligent and colorful parrot. Parrots are renowned for their ability to mimic human speech and other sounds. This talent, combined with their bright plumage, makes them popular pets. In the wild, parrots are highly social and live in flocks. They use their strong beaks to crack open nuts and seeds, and their zygodactyl feet, 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward, help them grasp branches and food. Next up, the powerful eagle. Eagles are apex predators, known for their keen eyesight and impressive hunting skills. They can spot prey from great distances and dive at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour to catch it. Eagles build large nests, called eyries, in high places like cliffs or tall trees. These nests can be used for many years and grow larger over time. Let's add the vibrant macaw to our list. These large parrots are native to Central and South America and are known for their striking colors and loud calls. Macaws are highly intelligent and social, often seen flying in pairs or small groups. They have strong beaks that can crack open hard nuts and seeds, and their long tails help them navigate through the dense rainforest canopy. Next, we travel to the icy regions of the world to meet the adorable penguin. Penguins are flightless birds that are excellent swimmers. They use their flippers to propel themselves through the water at impressive speeds. Penguins are known for their distinctive black and white plumage, which provides camouflage while swimming. They live in large colonies and are highly social, often huddling together for warmth. Another fascinating bird is the toucan, easily recognized by its large, colorful beak. Toucans are native to the tropical forests of Central and South America. Their beaks, though large, are surprisingly light and help them reach fruit on branches that are too small to support their weight. Toucans are also known for their loud, croaking calls and are often seen in small flocks. Let's not forget the agile kingfisher. These birds are expert hunters, known for their ability to dive into water to catch fish. Kingfishers have excellent vision, allowing them to spot prey from above. Their bright plumage and swift movements make them a delight to watch. Kingfishers are found near rivers, lakes, and coastal regions around the world. Meet the charming puffin, often called the clown of the sea, due to its colorful beak and distinctive markings. Puffins are excellent swimmers and use their wings to fly underwater while hunting for fish. During the breeding season, their beaks become even more vibrant, attracting mates. Puffins nest in burrows on coastal cliffs and islands, where they raise their chicks. Let's explore the incredible lyrebird, known for its extraordinary ability to mimic natural and artificial sounds. Native to Australia, lyrebirds can imitate other bird calls, chainsaws, camera shutters, and even car alarms. Their elaborate tail feathers, shaped like a lyre, are used in courtship displays. Lyrebirds are ground dwellers, often found in dense forests. Finally, let's meet the unique secretary bird, a large bird of prey found in the African savanna. Unlike most birds of prey, secretary birds hunt on foot, using their long legs to stride through the grasslands. They are known for their distinctive crest of feathers and their ability to stomp on snakes and other prey with powerful kicks. Secretary birds build large nests in acacia trees, where they raise their young. Birds are truly remarkable creatures, each with their own unique adaptations and behaviors. Whether it's the dazzling display of a peacock, the agile flight of a hummingbird, or the silent hunt of an owl, birds continue to captivate and inspire us. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of birds. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of nature.